This guy must have a secret, or this lady, that they have an addiction to buying panties and spandex. Wow. What could be inside of a Christmas tote in this unit? All right, let's lay everything out and then we'll kind of take a look. The apartment, who knows what this is? Pretty much the gist of it is these couple little pewter collection Christmas ornaments of some form. And then these houses here. I think these are Christmas ornaments. Like, I don't even know. Maybe they're just decoration, but that was what's in that box. So what's in here? I don't know. We'll do the same again. We're just going to keep on in our pattern. We're going to lay it all out and film what we got. I did, however, almost forget this brand new The Body Co. vintage, the Tiffany's. I don't know what you call these. The Richard Simmons workout shoe, whatever this is. This shoe here. All right, this box is just another box full of odd little goodies. This is all vintage spandex, different various brands again, leotard suits, onesies, whatever. Then we got this whole pile. It's just all brand new. It's panties, I think, in bras. Look, 1, 2, 3, just 97 brand new things. What brand is this? I looked this set up. I think that's worth like 30, 40. Oh, Warner's. We got Vassarette bras, brand new. I looked those up. Those could be like 30, 40 bucks a piece. Vintage brand new ones. It's an onslaught of ridiculousness. We got more brand new Victoria's Secrets. This is just nuts. Like, it's all Victoria's Secret, everything. Pieces and pieces of it. And we got more. There's Victoria's Secret. Victoria let her secret out in this unit, and this guy must have a secret, or this lady, that they have an addiction to buying panties and spandex. Wow. We got a Xerox box. What is inside of here? Oh, look. A CD. This is something I probably throw in a $25 or $50 mystery box. I put random items in them. This right here is probably worth putting on eBay. It's a Star Trek sealed. Don't overestimate or underestimate VCR tapes. I take the time to look at them, believe it or not. I won't jet ski challenge. I don't think that's a good one. But sealed DVDs do have some potential, so I do take the time to look them up. I've even put some VHS recently inside of my boxes too, because some of them sell for 10, 15 bucks. Too bad that wasn't sealed. I'm looking for sealed ones more. That's not sealed. Poison. Actually, you know what? These two is a lot on eBay probably. That's 10 bucks right there on eBay. That's the type of thing that at the flea market, this is 50 cents. It was free. It actually goes in the free pile. But when you use various, what do we got there? When you use various streams to sell online, things become more valuable. Cindy Clark, no. Here we got a bag. We'll go pull this all out. We can take a look at what all these are. What was in there was this vintage Department 56 Town Square gazebo, the post office, which is awesome. I went there this morning. Another gazebo. We got one out of box, which kind of sucks. And then we got these two other here, street musicians. And a North Pole gate. That's kind of cool. I don't know what they are, but on eBay, that's good. All right, let's see what's inside of this one here. This looks intriguing. I will set this all out, and then I will show you what's good, what's junk, etc., etc. I like the way that sounds, and when you see that, you cover this up. Oh, come on. Be something great in here. So we found this that had a little pair of earrings in it. This that was empty. And then this was neat, too. A 1946 child's milk bottle, $26.50, mint condition. I have no idea what that's really worth, but that'll definitely go aside in our eBay pile. Then we found this nice set of little cars right here. There's 3 cars total. Then we're going to go through this. This looks intriguing. Let's go pull this all out, see what we got, and then I'll go, ooh, look at all this. That turned out to be a little bit of letdown. I was thinking there's going to be something good in that box, but the best thing I came up with was this thing of baseball cards, which almost has no value. This little pin, which is also not super cool. And then we got the handkerchief and the Barbies. That was a wrap. But at least we found those items there. I did find this in there, actually. It rolled away. It is a 1967 custom Mustang, but it almost looks like somebody put nail polish on it or model paint. So that kind of brings the value down heavily. Carrying on, we're going to go inside of this tote here, and we're going to see what is inside of this stuff. Yay, let's spread it out. This box here was kind of basically crap. We got some garbage. This had this ornament in it. Right there. You see a couple McDonald's toys. One thing that's cool is we got some new white gloves for the auction because Benji didn't have some. And then I found this bag that looks like there's money in there. Let's see how much money. Oh, before we get into that, we did find one cool thing, and that is this little pile of Hot Wheels here. Hot Wheels seem to be doing good, so we'll just keep stacking those up. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. We got $4 bills, and we got about $1.78 right there. No, almost $2 actually, maybe more. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, this box really pretty much is a complete wash. We got a bowling pin. We got a broken car. Now that I see it's broken, it goes back in here. We got a 1996 calendar, so if that ever comes back, we're in. And we got a 1995 Lion King calendar. Then over here we got tree trunks. Look at that. $15 he paid for sticks to make trees. Then we have evergreen tree assembly kit. That was probably equally the same value there. We got fine scale forest. Okay. And then we got foliage, bulk foliage for $12. This stuff adds up. This is a pretty neat looking box of stuff here. I think this is the Hot Wheels Sizzler set. Slot car stuff. Believe it or not, this vintage slot car stuff is worth money. Huge collector market for those. Hot Wheels, little vices. Got little things that make the things stand up. And you go like this. You got the rails, the loop-de-loop. This will probably end up on eBay. There's some chess pieces. What I'm not seeing in here is slot cars. We got some Ertl collectibles here. Looks like this one is an airplane. I think we might have shown these, we might not, but just in case we haven't seen these, let's make sure we do. Not very expensive. The Racing Champions is low end, and I think the Ertl Osh stuff is actually not a very, get out of here, bug, expensive collection. This bag housed this beautiful little collection of Department 56. Here we have a tombstone accessories for your, I guess maybe your Halloween decoration. They were $10. I don't know what they are now in 2002. Then we got this one here, the Department 56 Edition Specials. I believe this one's a little more. It's the North Pole series, and it has the 15-year marker. I believe that one's probably going to be anywhere from 40 to 100 if I have to speculate. And these ones here, they were originally 25. Maybe it's going to be 15. Maybe it's going to be 25. I'm unsure. But I might put these times in bulk lots. Elfland, Proud Papa and Mama, Igloo set. Not bad. I like Department 56, trust me. This box here looks like it might have some intrigue in it. We've got, ooh, the Lionel. Let's see what this all looks like. Here we got a couple things that are Railroad Lionel yard set. I don't know if we've seen this one yet. Maybe. Pieces like this little building here, this little building here. Upon my research, when I was doing things, I was for all the lingerie and stuff we have, I learned that granny panties from the 60s, 70s, and so forth is actually really good money. I've seen pairs going on there for like $300. I'm unsure if I have any like that, but look at you could just tell this is probably 50s. This is my guess, maybe 60s, but every bit of that aging. Unsure if I have anything here that is going to be $300, but maybe if you guys have any idea, because some of y'all probably specialize in something like this, let me know. This is some old spandex here. I can't see. Just look at the tag. Made in USA, Vanity Fair. Almost everything that was vintage in this stuff is all made in USA, which is usually a clear distinguishable factor that it's a vintage. It's not often I spend a lot of time in the storage unit playing with these type of things, unmentionables, but we got all sorts of, looks like they've been worn once, used granny panty type style, as they call them, silky satin bras and girdles. We got new ones. Look at this. I don't even know what these are. Bodysuits. We got lots of bodysuits. We got just like a half dozen brand new bodysuits. This one's kind of cute right here. What we got here? Size small. It was $8 back when. And it's just, look, panties, all sorts of granny panties and silks and tights, and I don't know what to call this stuff. It's just like, it's just ridiculous. But these could be as much as $200 a piece. Certain brands, certain areas, used prices. I'm itching to see what we got in value and all this stuff. Then we even have high-end brands like this. Our price, $5 for Christian Dior. Look at the tag right here. You can look at this tag. It was made in St. Christopher, which now it's probably made in China like everything else. But that tag right there represents vintage. It's still got the tag on there. It's got this really cute, what do we do with this? It's a garter set. And then we have another pair of panties here, also with the tags. $12. silky, satiny, lacy, vintage Christian Dior. Dibs. We even have vintage, brand new Victoria's Secret panty stockings. I'm not a specialist in all this stuff, ladies, so don't get mad at me. And guys, if I'm offending you for calling this stuff by the wrong stuff. But all this will be on eBay one day soon. For now, it's just going to get set aside till we get to that moment. We're playing with panties again. Yeah, so basically I went through and separated. This is just all vintage. I don't want to say granny panties again, but it's just like women's underwear, silk, satin, lacy, everything. I'm thinking some of this dates back to the 50s, 60s. Looks like they were worn once and never used again. And then we have this whole pile here that's new dead stock, as they call it. It's just nuts. Look at the labels on some of these. Joseph Magnin, Best Form. I mean, the price on these is outrageous because you look at what they were cost back then. We're talking 30, 40 years ago on some of these. That's all brand new. This is getting nuts. Gonna keep on keeping on here. We're gonna see if we have anything of extreme value in this beautiful red trunk. I have no idea what this is. Right here, we're looking at a Steinbach. This baby is nice. S673 lip head det mode. Never even been assembled yet. You can see the hand still right there. It needs to be pushed in. This baby right here, what's great about this one is it is signed by the artist, creator, 1998. That is tight. Then we got a Barbie doll, set of two. Barbie and Ken got married. We don't know if they got a divorce or not. They could still be together. We got this. Who remembers these? You used to rewind your tapes with those. Then we got more Christmas ornaments. Department 56. We got Hot Wheels. Set of two. 1969. 30th anniversaries. Star Trek. Beam me up, Scotty. This is a good Christmas ornament right there. We got birds. I try to give this to the special lady of my life because her and the girls asked me the other day if we can get birds. And I just told her, here, I got you guys birds. She didn't find it funny. Then we have this beautiful bubble blowing snowman. These trunks are getting fun. The box of the trunks, etc., they're getting really fun to go through. So I'm liking them.